All right, guys, we're doing break number 10 of Hit Parade Platinum Baseball. This is Series 1. We've been doing this for a little while. This is the 10th box, plus we've done a case break of this. So there's one premium card in here. It's a 42-player checklist. So every $20 spot gives you three random players on that checklist. So there's 400 boxes altogether. You've got Mickey Mantle, you've got Harper, Willie Mays, Aaron Judge has got a bunch of cards in here. You've got Jeter. See if we can see him again tonight. Trout is in this. I mean, all the guys. You got Ty Cobb and Ted Williams. So all autos. 177 out of 400 is the box number. So in this one, I've got cars with one spot. Josh K, you've got two. Stephen K, you've got one spot. Arturo's got one. Marty with one. Paul M, you've got three. Sean G with two. Brian G with one. Sean H with one, and then Gerald's got one. So 14 spots altogether in this break. All right, so let's see what we can get out of here. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and randomize the players. So let's do that first. All right, here we go. So randomize this 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we got Manny Machado up at the top. Nolan Ryan down at the bottom. All right, let's give everybody 3 names. So here we go. 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so Gerald up at the top. Paul down at the bottom. All right, so let's get these lined up and sorted, and then we'll show everybody what you've got. All right, here we go. So Arturo, you've got Ted Williams, Stan Musial, and David Ortiz. Brian, you've got Lindor, Chris Bryant, and Kershaw. Cars has got Bonds, Mays, and Hank Aaron. Gerald with Machado, Piazza, and Jeter. Josh K, you've got Randy Johnson, Yogi Berra, Albert Pujols, Mattingly, Ripken, and Bryce Harper. Marty's got Posey, Duke Snyder, and Joe DiMaggio. Paul with Mickey Mantle, Cody Bellinger, Chipper, Ernie Banks, Joe McCarthy, Mariano Rivera, Corey Seager, Koufax, and Nolan Ryan. Sean G, you've got Guerrero, Greg Maddux, Giancarlo Stanton, Benintendi, Johnny Bench, and Aaron Judge. Sean H with Ichiro, Bo Jackson, and McCutchen. And then Stephen K, you've got Griffey, Trout, and Ty Cobb. All right, so that is the list for the break. All right, Chris is calling DiMaggio. All right, so 177. Let's just see a name we haven't seen before. Seen a lot of Judges, a lot of Chris Bryants. See a new name. Or we could just see a name we've seen a ton. Another Aaron Judge. Pulled so many of this guy. They weren't joking when they said he was in here a ton. So it's got limited edition of 200 down there at the bottom. So that's a fancy way of saying, because most of the other ones I've seen are numbered 10, numbered 25 at the most. So this one's basically numbered 200. It is loaded with judges. But that's good for, who is it? Sean. Sean, congrats, man. Scoring an Aaron Judge tonight. And the way he played in the ALCS, his cards are going to probably hold well over the winter. All right, so we'll go ahead and get that mailed out to you. And we'll look at doing another platinum probably next weekend. So we'll have 2 big boxes. We'll have Premier Gold Rush Premier Football, and then we'll also have another platinum. So I hope to see you guys then for that.